Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. I am also fine. I congratulate you on my online class today on behalf of Bormi Union High School, Sripur Gajipur. Today I am going to discuss compound sentence. What is compound sentence and its structures and functions. Let's get started. Compound sentence. What do you mean by compound? If you consider compound in scientifically, then what's the meaning of compound? And if I interrogate you, what is compound substance? Then what will be the answer? We know that compound substance is a kind of substance that can be divided, and after dividing we find more than one substances. For example, sodium chloride is a compound substance because if we analyze it, we find sodium and chlorine and H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, and if we analyze and synthesize this acid, then we find hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. And compound sentence, in case of compound sentence, if you analyze and synthesize the sentence, then what do you find? You must find two sentences or two clauses. For example, I have a green dress. You know, this is a simple sentence, and in this sentence we have only finite verb, only one finite verb. And in case of compound sentence, you have to make two clauses or two independent sentences here. Suppose I have a dress and it is grey. So what is the summary of compound sentence? The summary of compound sentence is that you have to make two sentences. Unless you make two sentences, you cannot be successful to make a compound sentence. And if you memorize the rules of the box, it will be very ineffective for you. You know that rules are for the fools, so rules should not be memorized, because you have to synthesize and you have to understand the sentence mindfully. In compound sentence, you have to make two sentences, and this is the main formula of compound sentence. If you say Jasmine is a beautiful girl, how will you make it into compound? And you have to remember that you have to make two sentences. Until you make two sentences, the compound will not be made. And if you make two sentences of Jasmine is a beautiful girl, then what will you find? You will find that Jasmine is a girl and she is beautiful. And here Jasmine is a girl is a sentence and she is beautiful is a sentence. And if you consider it into two clauses, that will be final. And Jasmine is a girl is a clause and she is beautiful is also a clause. So in compound sentence you have to make two sentences. I hope you have understood compound sentence, and in case of compound sentence you must make two sentences, because without two independent sentences a compound sentence will never be made. Thank you very much to stay with me. Stay safe and stay home.